Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Tradify. Now, if you're new to this platform, this tutorial will guide you step by step. I'll show you how to create your account, explain what Tradify is, give you a detailed look at the dashboard, and then walk you through some of the most important features like creating to-do lists, jobs, appointments, customers, and suppliers. So by the end of this video, you'll feel confident using Tradify to manage your business more effectively. So let's dive in and get started. Let's begin with the basics, creating your Tradify account. So first, open any browser of your choice and search for Tradify. Click on the official website, and then once you're there, look for the Start Free Trial button. This is your gateway to setting up an account. After you click, you'll be taken to the account creation page. Now, the first step here is simple. Enter your email address. Once that's done, click on the Try It for Free button. Now, the next step does require a bit more information. You'll need to provide your full name, company name, your country, and then create a password, but make sure your password is secure, but something you can easily remember as well. You'll also need to tick the box agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then finally click on the Complete Sign Up button. Once your account is created, Tradify will ask you to customize it based on your business needs. You can choose settings and preferences, then match how you operate. After this customization, you'll be directed to your account dashboard where everything really begins. Now that your account is set up, let's take a moment to understand what Tradify actually is. Now, Tradify is a job management software designed specifically for tradespeople and service businesses. It's an all-in-one tool that lets you manage jobs and scheduling, staff, customers, suppliers, and more. Now, if you've ever struggled with keeping track of multiple projects or paperwork or staff schedules, Tradify helps you centralize all of that into one easy-to-use platform. Now, what makes Tradify especially useful is its ability to connect different parts of your workflow. Instead of juggling multiple tools for tasks, scheduling, and contacts, you can do it all in Tradify. This saves you time, reduces errors, and keeps your business running smoothly. Now, let me give you a short overview of the dashboard. The dashboard is your main control center. This is where you'll access all of the features and tools that Tradify offers. Now, take a look at that left-hand side. You'll see the main navigation menu. It includes options like to-do lists, jobs, schedule, contacts, suppliers, and a good bit more. Each of these tabs represents a different function. For example, the Jobs tab will help you create and manage projects, while the Scheduler tab helps you organize staff appointments. The To-Do list is perfect for smaller tasks, and the Contact section, well, stores both customers and suppliers. The layout is simple and user-friendly, which really makes it perfect for beginners. Everything is clearly labeled, and you won't feel lost moving around the dashboard. Now that you've seen the overall structure, let's start creating your first task. Now, creating a to-do list in Tradify is very straightforward. From the left-hand menu, click on the plus button next to the to-do list. You see it there, right next to the to-do list option. This will open a pop-up window. In this window, you'll see fields to fill in details for your task. You can add a description that explains what the task is about, and then choose which staff member will be responsible for it. After that, set a due date so that you can track when the task needs to be completed. You'll also notice an option to choose a tag color. Now, this is a small but very handy feature because using colors makes it easier for you to organize your tasks visually. For example, you could use green tasks that are on track, red ones for urgent, blue for administrative work. Now, for this tutorial, let's select green. Once everything is filled in, click on the Save button. Your task will now appear in the to-do list. It's that simple. The to-do list feature is a great feature for keeping track of smaller jobs or for tasks that need attention, especially if you're working with a team. Now that we've set up a to-do list, let's move on to creating a job. Adding a job in Tradify is one of the most important things that you'll do. Jobs are the core of the platform as they help you track ongoing work for your customers. To create a new job, click on the Jobs tab from the left menu. Now, this will take you to the Jobs page. This is where you'll see a list of all the jobs that you've already created. So to add a new one, click the New Job button. A form will open, and here is where you will need to provide several details. Start by filling in information like customer, reference, category, and job address, also job description. These fields help you keep the job organized and linked to the right client. Next, you'll see the Staff and Connections section. Click the plus icon to add staff members. Now, a pop-up window will appear here where you can select existing staff or add new ones. Assigning staff ensures that everyone knows who's responsible for what. Then provide contact information for the job. Now, this can include a job contact name, job phone number, and mobile number. Adding these details will help staff get in touch with the right person quickly. Now, below that, you'll notice fields for custom information like custom one, custom two, and so on. These are flexible fields that can be tailored for your business needs. For example, you could use them to track job priority, material types, or any other information that is important to you and the job. Next, move to the tasks section. Here you have two choices: create a new task or copy tasks from quotes. For the most new jobs, or for most of the new jobs rather, it's best to create tasks from scratch so that they're specific to the job at hand. Each task can include descriptions, deadlines, and staff assignments. And then finally, review the audit information section, which provides a history of changes and updates. This is useful, rather, for tracking accountability. Once you've completed everything, click on the Save and Exit button. Your job is now created and ready to be tracked in Tradify. Up next, let's schedule an appointment. Now, appointments are managed through the scheduler. Click on the scheduler option from that left menu. Now, this will bring you to the schedule page where you can view your calendar and appointments. To add a new one, click on the new appointment button. As usual, a pop-up window will open here where you can enter more details. Start by selecting the start date and time, as well as the end date and time. This ensures that your appointment is properly scheduled. Up next, you'll need to assign staff, so click on the plus icon under the Staff and Connections section. Again, two options: choose an existing staff member or create a new one by clicking New Staff Member. Let's create a new one. Click New Staff Member and a pop-up form will appear. Enter details such as the staff member's name, email address, and phone number. You can also specify the default billing rate and the standard pay rate. These are especially useful if you bill customers based on staff hours. Another feature here is notifications. You can actually set up job and to-do alerts that go out via email or the mobile app. This will help keep staff updated and reduce the chance of missed appointments. And then you'll also see staff permissions. Tick the boxes for things like timesheets, job access, invoicing, and quoting. This way, each staff member only has access to what they need. Once everything is set, click Save. Now your new staff member is now added to the appointment. You can see their name listed under the Staff and Connections section. And finally, you can add notes for the appointment. These could be instructions, reminders, or details that the staff need to know. Once you're ready, click on the Save button. The appointment will now appear on your calendar at the date and time you specify. Now let's take a look at how to add a new customer. To do that, go to the left menu and click on the Contact tab. You will see three options: Customer, Supplier, and Connections. Here we'll click on Customer. You'll then be taken to the Customers page. This is where you view existing customers as well as add new ones. To create a new customer, click on the New Customer button. Another form will appear where you'll need to fill in details such as the customer's name, physical address, email address, mobile number, and phone number. Once all those details have been entered, you can either click Save and Continue to add another customer or Save and Exit to save and finish. Adding customers is essential because it connects jobs, invoices, and appointments to the right people. It also saves you time by keeping all of the contact information in one place. And finally, let me show you how to add a new supplier in Tradify. Just like customers, suppliers are also managed under the Contacts tab. Click on Contact from the left menu, then select Suppliers. This will take you to the Suppliers page where you'll see a list of suppliers already added. To create a new supplier, click on the New Supplier button. Now a pop-up window will appear asking for more details. Fill in the supplier's name, contact name, phone number, mobile number, email address, physical address, and postal address. You can also add financial information like the default invoice due date, document theme, tax details, and audit information. These are particularly helpful for managing supplier payments and ensuring that everything stays organized. When you're done, click Save and Continue if you want to add another supplier, or Save and Exit to save and close. Now, suppliers are important because they connect to your job requirements, especially if you're purchasing materials or outsourcing parts of your work. Keeping their details inside of Tradify ensures that you have everything in one convenient place. All right, that is it for this Tradify tutorial. Today you learned how to create your account, explored the dashboard, and went step by step through creating to-do lists, jobs, appointments, customers, and suppliers. Tradify makes it very easy to handle all of the moving parts of your business in one platform. Whether you're managing staff, scheduling jobs, or tracking customers and suppliers, Tradify keeps everything organized and simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down there for more beginner-friendly guides. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.